Hello dear students, this is Shahira from Shahira's English Corner. In this video, I'll be showing the difference between transitive and intransitive phrasal verbs that might be confusing. What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are verbs with 2 or 3 words, a main verb plus a particle, which could be a preposition or an adverb. Let's see some examples. I wake up at 7:30 every day. Please turn off the TV. My brother and I don't get along. We fight all the time. She came up with a good idea. Phrasal verbs can be transitive or intransitive. Transitive phrasal verbs can be separable or inseparable. Intransitive phrasal verbs. They have no direct object. Let's see some examples. I woke up at 10:30 a.m. You can come over to my house after school. He's going back to Russia next month. More examples? We all dressed up for the Christmas party. We were going to spend the holiday at the beach, but our plans fell through because we couldn't find a place to stay. The football player passed out after training for 5 hours in the hot sun. Billy threw up after eating 20 pizzas. Transitive phrasal verbs. They have a direct object. Let's see some examples. You need to fill out this form to register for the course. I'm going to cut down on fast food this year. Check out that website, it's really great. Transitive phrasal verbs can be separable or inseparable. If a phrasal verb is separable, it means you can separate the two words and put the direct object in the middle. If it is inseparable, you cannot do this. Examples. Separable phrasal verbs. Example: turn off. Please turn off the TV. Please turn the TV off. Inseparable phrasal verb. Example: look after. I look after your dog while you're on vacation. I look your dog after while you're on vacation. Does it sound correct? Of course, it's incorrect. Separable phrasal verbs. Example: my daughter was sad about missing the concert, but I bought her a CD to help cheer her up. The recipe says to take 3 onions and chop them up. He really let me down when he forgot my birthday. Could you tell me your email address again? I didn't write it down. Inseparable phrasal verbs. I'm really looking forward to our family vacation in Florida. It's going to be awesome. She's very friendly and extroverted. She takes after her mother. Word order for separable phrasal verbs. When the direct object is the specific name of a thing or a person, it can be located after the phrasal verb or in the middle. I threw away the old pizza. I threw the old pizza away. However, when the direct object is a pronoun, for example, me, you, him, her, us, them, or it, it must go in the middle. I threw it away. I threw away it, of course, is incorrect. Here is an example with a person. They'll pick up John from the airport. They'll pick John up from the airport. They'll pick him up from the airport. They'll pick up him from the airport, of course, is incorrect. Well, thank you so much for learning English with me. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel to see our lessons regularly. Bye for now.